I feel so glad because, first of all, I can believe that many people will support me. Because I thought that they will be supporting me as an actor. But it's not. So that's why I really for the week supported me.
How about you? How does it feel that Aaron is the best one before?
Yes, he became a good friend to me. But now, I think there's a gap between me and him. I try to bring it back to our friendship.
What about you, Madam President? How does it feel that you are now the president of the Philippines?
Sabi mo pulo.
Is it too late to get with the wedding?
Yeah, gusto namin ko sa nila.